Today, I'm going to read about Pete a Cat. The title is Pete the Cat. Fish are fun. Do you think fish are fun? Tell in the comments. Pete the cat goes to the pet shop. He wants a fun pet. Which pet will he get? Which pet will you get on this picture? Tell us in the comments. Pete gets a fish. A fish will be fun. Pete feeds his fish, but the fish just swims. That is all. Fish are not fun. Pete thinks and thinks. He has an idea. Pete paints a picture of his fish. He gives it to his mom. She loves the picture. Maybe fish are fun. Pete makes fish pictures for his pals. They are a hit. Fish are fun. If you like this book, give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Goodbye.